Hello friends, in last video we have seen Mathilde and her husband they return home very early in the morning, and when they return home that Mathilde was looking so beautiful in the party. All guests were discussing and praying about Mathilde only. They were discussing about her beauty and everything. By listening these her praise, that she became very much happy, and in that happiness, this couple returned back to home. That after that, Mathilde was in mood to see her. At last, it was the last time in the mirror. So for the just to see in the mirror, she came in front of the mirror. But what a great surprise and shock also to her. That necklace was not round her neck. By seeing that, she became very much sad and shocking also there. She called her husband Mathilde and she told that necklace she could not find it. Then they discussed. He asked her that are you sure? When they were returning back to home, that time the necklace was with her. She told that yes, when she was going out from the hall, that time she touched that necklace. Then, after that hall, while returning, they walked some distance. While walking, if that fall down, then definitely they could understand it. But definitely, at last they decided definitely that diamond necklace could be fall in the taxi cab. Then Mathilde's husband asked her, did you take the number of that taxi? Definitely she returned, no. And when Mathilde's husband understood that no, both they remained speechless. Because there was no any sign to understand the taxi and to find the taxi and that diamond necklace. For that poor couple, the diamond necklace means it was very much costly thing, and that thing they had lost. What to do then? They searched here and there in the home, but they couldn't find it. At last, again, Mathilde's husband put on his dress and he went back to see the necklace. Till then, the whole night, Mathilde remained in a dejected mood and she remained in the same dress in sad mood. And she was waiting for Mathilde's husband. And when he came back, he also came with empty hands. Then the next day, he went to the police station for the complaint, but and then he went to the newspaper. He gave an advertisement for that taxi cab drivers, and those who will return that diamond necklace, he would offer them some prize. But it was bad luck to them that they did not got any news of that necklace. Then, in a dejected mood, in a sad mood, they remained at home for 1 week. They waited for the news of that diamond necklace. They always eagerly waiting for the call for that necklace. But what? It was only one hope for them, that definitely by reading the newspaper and that inspector could get any trace of diamond necklace. After a long waiting of 1 week, as the day was passing, the same that this couple also drawn deep into the sadness, and at last, after a week, they lost all the hope of returning that diamond necklace. Then they decided how to return back diamond necklace. It was borrowed from Madame Forestier, and as the word, they should return it to Madame Forestier. Then they were discussing about how to return this diamond necklace. At last, they decided that it would get some time. Then how to convince Madame Forestier? So Mathilde's husband suggested her to write a letter to Madame Forestier that her diamond necklace is that broken and they are that mending it. It would get some time, and after repairing they would return it very soon. As that suggestion, she did so. Then this poor couple, they visited many jewelry shops. One by one they visited many jewelry shops, as in their mind that diamond necklace was there. The same necklace they were searching in the shop, so that they visited many shops. At last, in one shop, they found it, and that means Palliser Royal. They found the necklace as it was in their mind, as it was nearly about the exact which was borrowed from Madame Forestier. They asked the cost of that diamond necklace. The shopkeeper told them it was for 40,000 francs. By listening this amount, both they stunned. They remained totally silent, and they were looking to each other. By seeing this condition, became ready to offer that necklace for 36,000 francs. Both they became agree for that diamond necklace and for 36,000 francs. And then they begged to sell this diamond necklace for 3 days. Means within these 3 days they could manage the sufficient amount for diamond necklace. The shopkeeper also became ready that he would wait for 3 days. This poor couple came back to home, and they discussed how to manage 36,000 francs for diamond necklace. Mr. Lucille, he had 18,000 francs which his father had left for him. Remaining 18,000 he took from money lender, and in this way they managed 36,000 francs for diamond necklace. They took that diamond necklace from the shopkeeper, and by taking that they came back very carefully, because it was very costly diamond necklace with them. The next day, Mathilde went to Madame Forestier with diamond necklace. She returned it and said thank you. But Madame Forestier was not happy with Mathilde. She very coldly only said, "It would be better if you return in time." And then Mathilde returned back to home in sad mood.